how-to today. We're gonna show you how to fix a leaking shower head today. And I believe the source of the problem is here in the handle. So we're gonna just go ahead and take this off. The purpose of this video is for you people out there looking for this stuff on YouTube and not being able to find it, because I was searching for this stuff and couldn't find it anywhere. Oh no. Make sure you put a towel on this right here so your screws don't get in there. Here, front screw. Oh, you're gonna go the opposite way. Also, make sure your water is off or you will get sprayed. Yes, you will. Take this shiny piece off. Push it over there. Now, if you don't have big old strong hands like me, you're gonna want to need one of those clamp thingies that, clamp wrenches. Oh. I'm gonna take this cup link thing off right here. Put it over to the side. Now this thing, you want to just wiggle it out. You might get sprayed a little bit. A little water drain down, but that's all right. Plumbers get wet. Now we're gonna get our replacement part here. Brand new. See, this one's a little worn down. It's got some, probably could just fix this one up a bit, but you see here the rubber is kind of messed up. You want to have the hot side to the left, of course. I've already cleaned it, but there's some little holes in here. You want to get all the residue out. Clean insert there. You want to wiggle it, see here how these line up. All the line up, kind of squish it up in there. Perfect. Like a glove. Okay, we're gonna put this on back on. Here. Put everything back and pray that it don't leak. Done diddly. All good. Now, my girlfriend would probably tell me to clean this before I put it back on, but I'll clean it later. Give me a second.
You better.
Alright, now you
Good job, Daddy.
You obviously want to put this in the correct positioning in reference to the C for cold and the H for hot. Thanks for watching.
That's it.